Hey everyone! Today we are diving into a piece of American firearm history, the Harrington and Richardson. Model 1908 12-gauge single shot shotgun. This beauty was made in Worcester, Massachusetts, USA, and it is over a century old. Harrington and Richardson, also known as H&R, was founded in 1871 by Gilbert Harrington and William Richardson. They aimed to make affordable guns for average person. This model 1908 hit the market around 1909. It was produced until the 1930s with updates like better ejectors and new caliber. During World War I, the British bought hundreds of these guns for training. In the US, it was a go-to for rural fox hunting rabbits or birds. Simple, tough and cheap. Some were branded Bay State for stores like Sears. Barrel length in this model was 30 inch and 32 inch, and in fact this gun is 32 inch barrel length. Here we measure it. This is 32 inch barrel length and overall length is about 4 feet or 47 inch. This particular gun is half choke or quarter choke, not cylinder. This type of choke is perfect for birdshot and slugs because there is fixed choke. And now let us see its weight. Its weight is about 3 kg, 3 kg and 124 gram. Now I am putting a dummy 12 gauge cartridge in it. This is a brake barrel, single shot, flip the top lever, upload 12 gauge cell, close it up, cock the hammer and fire. And as you see, it's a ejector gun. I'm not sure I improved ejector or unimproved. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment if you have got a vintage shotgun story.